Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys requested a part 2 to my Amazon storefront video. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link in the description, in the pinned comment, and also I'll link it up above somewhere. Yeah, so basically the majority of this video will be like a screen recording of me actually showing you guys how to set up your storefront once you get approved, but I'm just making an intro so y'all can see my beautiful face. Yes, that's pretty much all I have to say right now. Remember to like the video, drop a comment, subscribe if you haven't. What else? Turn on your post notifications, share the video with a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next part of the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the email I received once I got approved, and this is also the email that you will receive as well. It's actually giving you the steps that you need to take to set up your storefront. So it's saying that you should complete your payment and tax information and all of that. So as you can see, it says that you should type in that URL into your browser to get to your storefront page, and that's what I'm gonna do now. Alright, so right now I'm just typing in my URL, amazon.com//shop my name, and then it's going to bring me to my Amazon page. Alright, so this is how my page is set up. So I have my profile picture, and then I have my idea lists. These are the things that I am suggesting that people buy, so go over there, check it out, buy something, support your girl, period. Alright, so once you get to this page, it's not going to look like mine obviously because you haven't set it up yet, but once you get to your storefront page, then you want to go right ahead and set up your payment and tax information, because clearly the whole point of this program is to make money. So why would you hesitate to set up your payment information? There is also going to be a message prompting you to set this up right away, because they won't be able to do anything until you have verified your tax information and select a payment method and whatever. So you just go ahead and do that. Alright, so after you've set up your payment information, you can go ahead and select edit profile and add your social media pages on your storefront. I don't have mine there because I changed my TikTok username, which I used to sign up for this program, and it's not allowing me to change anything else. So yeah. Alright, so now that you've set up the basics, it's time to get into the meat of the matter, which is to actually put content on your page for people to see and for people to be able to shop. So you can do idea lists, you can do videos or pictures, and you can do live streams. Now, idea lists are basically the products that you would recommend to people, and you can put them under different categories. Alright, so to create an idea list, you're gonna click on the yellow icon that says create content, and then you would see the one that says idea list. So you click on that, it's going to bring you to a page looking like this, where you would add the idea list name and the idea list description. So I'm just gonna do an example. So say for example clothes. So you type in clothes into the idea list name, and for the description you just put a nice little catchy thing. So I'm going to put cute pieces that I like, right? And you just press save and your idea list would have been created. Alright, so now you have an empty idea list and you want to add items to it. So to add an item to your idea list, you go to Amazon homepage, you search for the item that you want to add. Alright, so for example, I'm going to search for hat. So I'm going to type in hat and a bunch of hats are going to come up. Then I'm going to just click on a random one, and that is the hat I want to add to my storefront. So I click on it, I scroll down until I see add to list. Now it's a little bit different on mobile. I'm recording on my iPad. But basically you just scroll down until you see add to list and you click on that. On mobile there will be no drop down. If you're using a tablet or a laptop, you will have to click the little drop down beside add to list, because if you just click on add to list, it's going to put it in a private shopping list and nobody will be able to see it. So once you click on that, you just select the list that you created and that's it. So now we are going to upload a video to our storefront. So if, say for example, you buy a product, you make a video about it and you want to post it on your Amazon page, you're going to go to the same yellow button that says create content and you're going to select the option that says post video or photo. I believe something like that. You're going to choose that option and then you're going to select the video or photo that you want to post from your gallery. You're going to add a caption, select the product that you are wearing in that video or picture, because you have to be wearing a product or picture to be uploading this content on Amazon. So you're going to select that. You can select it from your idea list or you can search for the product on Amazon, but I mean, why wouldn't it be on your storefront already if you're already wearing it? So that's pretty much it. You select the product, you add your caption, you upload your content and you're good to go. Normally it takes a few hours to 2 days to be approved because they have to check to see that it doesn't violate any of their guidelines or any of that stuff. Alright, so now that you have content on your page, it means that people can now shop your storefront and you're going to want to know how it's performing. So to do this, you're going to go to see reporting and it's going to bring up like a summary of your sales and a summary of the commissions you've made. So there are two options. You can either do consolidated summary or you can do earnings report. Earnings report shows you like a more itemized version of how your store is performing, so like the items that people have ordered and stuff like that. For consolidated summary, it basically shows you like how much you've made over a specific period of time. You can change the period that you want to check for and all of that. Alright, so the final thing I want to show you guys, at the top of the report page you will see some headings. If you click on the one that says commission schedule, you'll be able to see the different percentages based on the categories of items that Amazon has, so you can know what percentage to expect based on the item that people order. Alright guys, so I hope the tutorial was clear. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments. Remember to thumbs up the video if it was helpful. Share the video with a friend who you think might need this information. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on your post notifications, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.